Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of Youth Court Voice. This is Fakia Fan, your host. I have new two co-hosts with me. Can you please introduce yourself?
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zimmer and I'm 15 years old. I'm doing my O-levels in Pearson Edexcel and I'm in my last year. My hobbies are debating and cooking.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanya Fan, a O-level student, and I'm passionate about communication, creativity, and public speaking. I have participated in more than 9 nations, different kind of school events, and to be honest, I love contributing to different kind of things, and I would love to contribute to this podcast.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Malik Qasim and I'm an entrepreneur and I own multiple businesses and I'm excited to bring my point of view to this podcast.
Today we're going to talk about something that's very controversial, feminism. We have a different point of views on this certain topic and we would like to share these on this podcast. So, who's going to go first?
Ladies first.
Okay, this is getting too feminist. What's right?
भूल गए हो? औरतें फेमिनिज्म पे बात नहीं कर पा रही.
The agenda for today is about feminism, something very controversial and something that needs to be debated on. So, do you have anything to say?
What do you think about feminism in Desi households?
I'm the only boy sitting here. Why did you come at me with this question?
Because you guys probably should know about this. No?
Yeah, we need your opinion too.
There are a lot of things about feminism, especially in the Desi household. We see that the men, especially, they try to be more dominant by telling the woman to stay in the kitchen and take care of the house, take care of his parents. But that's really wrong, I'd say. And one thing is that if a woman wants to go out, work, build her own life, and take care of herself, that's not wrong. Especially ये perceive किया जाता है देसी household में कि बहू घर से बाहर नहीं जाएगी, बहू ये नहीं करेगी, बहू सिर्फ बच्चों की टेक केयर करेगी और हालांकि उसकी अपनी इतनी लाइफ होती है बट शी स्टेज क्वाइट. इस चीज़ को काउंटर करने के लिए फेमिनिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा आर्गुमेंट देती हैं कि जी ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए एंड दैट्स इज टोटली रॉन्ग. और उसके बाद इस तरह के स्लोगन्स निकलते हैं कि अपना खाना खुद गर्म करो. और yes.
Acha, first of all, I don't think so that feminism should be a thing. It's basic human rights. Every gender should be treated equally, whether it's female, whether it's a male. So developing such ideas like feminism, if you're supporting women rights, it's completely wrong. You can't say that a person is being too feminist just because they're saying लड़कियों को काम करना चाहिए and लड़कियों को girls should be allowed to go and perceive their future dreams. So I think that's pretty wrong. The idea that that Desi households have adapted कि लड़कियों को बस किचन में रहना चाहिए, घर तक रहना चाहिए, they shouldn't be allowed to go work and other things. ज़्यादा businesses भी start नहीं करने देते because कि तुम क्या करोगी, you can just work in kitchen, that's it. So yeah, because the man is earning money, so yeah, so that's pretty wrong. So yeah, both genders should be treated equally. That's something that's basic human rights.
There are two aspects to feminism. ठीक है, एक वो है जो औरत मार्च में हो रहा होता है और एक वो है जो the women who are real feminists and they don't really like the औरत मार्च and things, all that things, right? अब यहाँ पे डिफरेंस कहाँ पे आता है? डिफरेंस वहाँ पे आता है जब आप लोग स्लोगन्स बनाना शुरू कर देते हो इस तरह के कि जी हमने ये नहीं करना, हमने वो नहीं करना. ठीक है, मैन हेटेड इज नॉट फेमिनिज्म.
Yes.
Yeah.
मर्दों को हेट करना is not feminism. Feminism is speaking about your own rights and going out and fighting for your rights, not fighting against men.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because again, whatever I said before, every gender is equal. The way this society has perceived those genders is very wrong, and उन्होंने इस तरह image pursue की हुई है. Even for the men, they have made this image के like यही हैं and they are the breadwinners of the house. So that's wrong, which is why it leads to very many females becoming a man haters, because उस तरह की image बनाई हुई है लोगों लड़कों की कि जिसकी वजह से सारी लोगों का impression on them is very wrong, which is also like Desi household की fault because they have put this thing so much कि प्रेशराइज किया हुआ है कि यही होगा तो लाइक यही शुरू से चल रहा है तो ये अभी भी होता जाएगा.
अच्छा, आई बिलीव कि फेमिनिस्ट अक्सर इक्वालिटी एंड इक्विटी को कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं. वुमेन एंड मेन कैन नॉट बी इक्वल, okay, but they can have the equal status.
Yeah. In workplaces, in other things as well, because usually ये होता है workforces में कि a man is given higher salary as compared to a woman because just because of her gender तुम इतना काम नहीं कर सकती थी, that's why आपकी salary भी कम है, आपका काम, we don't expect something much more than you. Like even if a girl is working in a business or in a company, she would not get that level of respect, you can say, or the level of status that a man does despite the position.
I've seen women make more than men do
Yeah.
Same.
in a lot of fields.
Again, that's this family background they have and supportive families they have. That's not usually pretty common in Pakistan if you see.
If talking about औरत मार्च, I believe कि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा LGBTQ मिक्स कर दिया गया and they do not care about the women anymore. वो अपने ही लिबर्टी की तरफ जा रहे हैं, which is fine, but they should not call it औरत मार्च at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen this happen a lot. ये जो LGBTQ का मिक्सचर है औरत मार्च के साथ, और we're going out smoking openly and we have these bold posters. I mean, what do you mean? Being a feminist means you have to have some standards and some, qualities. Not just go onto the road and start having these banners.
Exactly.
मेरी मर्जी.
Yeah.
A smart feminist will never go out on the street and argue with people.
Exactly,
Yes.
because that's literally completely pointless. So yeah, you know you are given the good rights. You know, like you're not given good rights. You have good rights, and it's your duty to get those rights. You don't have to go and argue with pointless people and say कि मेरे rights हैं मुझे चाहिए. You should know how to get it yourself.
And मजे की बात ये है कि जो उस औरत मार्च में होती है उनके पास सारे राइट्स होते हैं, और जो नहीं आई होती उनके राइट्स के लिए वो फाइट कर रही होती हैं, उनको होश भी नहीं होती कि वो औरतें कहाँ पे हैं.
Exactly. And उन औरतों को लगता है कि हमारा तो लाइफस्टाइल ही है, they are not aware about their rights. And औरत मार्च को जैसे लिया जा रहा है, उनको कभी भी अवेयरनेस नहीं मिलनी अपने राइट्स की. They're just gonna be like, oh my god, हम तो बहुत नेक है, हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, ये लोग तो बहुत गंदे हैं.
नहीं, मेरा ये पॉइंट है कि अगर आप, ठीक है, औरत मार्च हो रही है, आप औरत मार्च में गए हो, देयर वाज ए स्लोगन आई रेड, ठीक है, और उसमें देयर वाज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू हर हस्बैंड, लाइक था कि अपना खाना खुद गर्म करो या मैं बर्तन नहीं धोऊंगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट कि यार ये अपने राइट्स की बजाय अपने शौहर पे हेट क्यों कर रही है? व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ हेटिंग हर सोलमेट, जिसको अल्लाह ताला कहते हैं कि मैंने तुम लोगों को पेयर्स में बना के नीचे भेजा है. व्हाई शी इज ओपनली कमिंग आउट एंड टेलिंग एवरीवन कि मैं तो जी अपने शौहर का खाना नहीं गर्म करूंगी.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ, मैं खाना नहीं गर्म करूंगी.
अच्छा, तो ना उसका पॉइंट कुछ और था, उसने प्रेजेंट किसी और तरीके से किया. अब देसी हाउस होल्ड में एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि औरत खाना गर्म करके देगी. इवन दे बोथ वर्क, एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि औरत जब भी ऑफिस से आएगी खाना
मुझे
बनाएगी.
एक बात बताओ ना, जिन्होंने हाउस स्टाफ रखा हुआ है,
हाँ.
जिन्होंने औरतें रखी हुई हैं, उनके राइट्स किधर?
नहीं है.
वो भी तो गर्म करके दे रही होती है ना खाना.
बट द थिंग इज वो उसकी जॉब है. अक्सर मेल स्टाफ भी होते हैं.
हाँ, there are male cooks as
Yeah.
well.
There are
They
male
don't- they
cooks,
don't
but
get
what about the
sh-
female cooks?
नहीं ना, they don't get ashamed of doing their work. They have something they consider it as their job, सही है, as
Yeah.
their passion, something like that. तो like इसमें कोई like बुरी बात नहीं है.
उनकी दफा औरत मार्च किधर चली जाती है?
हाँ. They
कि
don't
उनको
need.
रोटियां ना बनानी पड़े, उनको लोगों को खाने
तो
को
नहीं ना, they're
क्योंकि
doing it for
they're
their
getting
own.
paid.
Exactly.
They are getting paid. Why do they need
but
that?
but the wife is getting, but the wife is also getting everything from the husband.
वो हस्बैंड की ड्यूटी है एंड वाइफ की ड्यूटी है टू इक्वली कंट्रीब्यूट इन थिंग्स. खाना गर्म करना दोनों इक्वली कंट्रीब्यूट करें, जॉब करनी है दोनों इक्वली कंट्रीब्यूट करें, रेंट देना है दोनों इक्वली कंट्रीब्यूट करें.
नहीं तो अगर शौहर बादशाह है और बीवी खाना गर्म करके नहीं देगी तो why?
तो वो खुद भी उठ के कर सकता है ना.
हाँ हाँ.
I'll happily order a pizza.
तो exactly, order it for the wife as well.
I'll happily get a pizza, but I would expect my wife to welcome me home when I'm.
No, that's the mindset where people go wrong. सही है, ये mindset बन चुका है काफी मर्दों के अंदर कि अब हम थक कर आए हैं तो we expect कि हमारे लिए सब कुछ सही होगा, घर साफ होगा, खाना बना होगा, खाना गर्म लगा होगा. That's completely wrong. सही, you should not have expectations इतनी high.
And Then
But hear me out.
wait,
You have house staff and you are not even able to tell that staff कि table तैयार करो, ये चीजें रख दो. Then I guess it's a skill
people do
issue.
not have house staff इतना ज़्यादा.
Exactly.
मासी होती है, सुबह के टाइम होती है, चली जाती है. और अक्सर जैसे पॉवर्टी वगैरह बढ़ रही है पाकिस्तान में, they cannot afford house staff. वो बहुत expensive होते हैं, to be honest. So the thing is, अक्सर मैन आते हैं काम से एंड लाइक तुम पूरा दिन करती क्या हो, मुझे खाना भी नहीं गर्म करके दे सकती, कपड़े कौन धोता है, घर कौन साफ करता है, उनके बच्चे कौन संभालता है.
खुद कर रही है अपनी सारा कुछ.
हाँ.
तो
I'd say there is a society difference. ठीक है, कुछ खुद कर रही होती हैं, कुछ करवा रही होती हैं. Just like I came across this DHA की आंटी वाली.
Yeah.
DHL
Like
made.
if she
No,
says,
DHA auntie as well. There's
हाँ.
a DHA auntie as well.
if she says I'm tired, I won't believe it because मेरे ख्याल से what
No,
is that?
What if she's working?
No, she's serving her look. She's serving the Instagram again.
Yeah.
That's a work to do. So yeah, you guys men think that कि सिर्फ हम ही काम करते हैं बाहर.
This is what we
And-
go through outside is really tough.
And
Yeah.
what do you
inside is also really
yeah.
tough.
But we also go through everything
So
from
it's
inside.
Exactly,
as well.
na. That's equal.
That's equality.
No.
They both should understand each other and should both work together.
I always say this, that even if you're a boy or if you're a girl, if you were in my position, what I go through outside, you probably would have killed yourself by now. You get?
What do you go through? Please elaborate on this now.
Hmm?
Please elaborate.
All right. First of all, the fear of being a failure. Secondly, the fear if my employers didn't get paid on time. If I didn't get the salaries through the rent through, and after that, what would happen if I didn't give my mother the things she asked for? And after that, what if everything the people said becomes true and I lose everything, right? After that, the pressure of exams, the pressure of studies.
Okay, so that's exactly
I
what
wanna
our
say
last topic was on. Yeah, sure. Anxiety and pressure. Do you think mental health outside, when you go outside, is not the same as when the person is staying inside, is bounded to stay inside in the boundaries of four walls? Do you think that mental anxiety is not the same as that there was when you were outside? At least you are getting fresh air outside. At least you're
When you're going outside, you're practically fighting a war against everyone, right? Everybody is there to get you. ठीक है, आपके काम में नुक्स निकाले जाएंगे, कोई ना कोई नया मसला. Like before I even woke up today,
Yeah.
before I even
Yeah.
woke up, Fakia was calling me and I woke up from that bell. और मैं उठा था तो 10 काम ऑलरेडी मेरे लिए वेट कर रहे थे फोन पे इसकी कॉल के अलावा कि ये कासिम साहब ये कब होना है, कासिम साहब ये कब होना है, ये किधर होना है, ये किधर होना है. And I didn't even get time to eat anything or even drink a glass of water. And I jumped out of the bed, wore a suit and came here straight.
Hear me out. You think कि आपकी anxiety women से ज़्यादा है. Women face society pressure, the pressure of being a perfect housewife and all that thing, and raising a perfect child. एक बच्चे को raise करना मुश्किल. Hear me out.
where
Hear
is
me
that
out.
pressure in this
Hear
Aurat
me
March?
out. We are not talking about Aurat March. We are
I
talking
want to
about
know,
you.
I want to know where is that stress? ठीक है, वो तो जाके आप लोगों को होता है when you're 20, 24, 25.
The thing is वो दिखाते नहीं है. They don't know. They are not aware about their rights. They don't know कि they have the right to work. They have the right
But
to
still,
live.
here, listen, but still, don't you think that if a woman goes out and says, I'm not well, people will come and help her more rather than when a man says that I want help? People would be like, fuck
What?
off.
no. I don't think so.
Yeah,
I don't.
I
no,
think
that's
so.
that's completely wrong.
Yeah.
Think of yours. I would say due to lack of resources, first of all, women are not actually being provided with the information and the level of protest that they are going on, which they could avail and get their rights, which are not given to them because of the lack of resources again. So इसी वजह से ना काफ़ी due to lack of knowledge वगैरह काफ़ी बंदा बैक ऑफ हो जाता है इन चीज़ों से. सो लाइक पूरा कट ऑफ हो जाता है. तो ना ही वुमेन फाइट फॉर देयर राइट्स एनी मोर, ना ही दे टॉक अबाउट व्हाट दे शुड गेट एंड व्हाट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग, जिसकी वजह से देयर इज दिस सोसाइटी में स्टिग्मा बन चुका है कि बस मर्द विल गो आउटसाइड, अर्न ब्रेड and come home and expect women to serve them food.
They have just normalized the toxic culture.
Rights to Pakistan में किसी भी बात की.
Yeah, नहीं है. I agree.
तो वो तो
हमारा इतना toxic culture है। हमारा
प्लीज प्ले जर्नल आसिम मुनीर का गाना पीछे।
मेन को एटलीस्ट फ्रीडम मिल रही है,
Exactly.
फ्रीडम नहीं मिल
They have freedom of speech, freedom to exist,
Freedom
freedom.
of speech.
Okay, let's not talk about that. Call it डाला। We don't even have the freedom to protest.
Exactly. There is this protest going on in India. If you guys have heard of it.
We also want to do that.
Yeah. The thing is, our country.
I've seen so many memes.
Exactly. The cockroach वाली.
किसी ने सोचा प्रोटेस्ट करने का तो नहीं सोच रहा कोई.
वो cockroach बनाओ नीचे से. अच्छा, so that is the thing. That is the type of unity we need in our country as well. So yeah, हमारे कितने CIs leak हो चुके हैं. This is going off topic, but I just need to mention
There
this.
was this meme कि हमारा अगर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर लीक कर चुका होता पेपर तो हम उसको प्रमोशन देते रहे.
हाँ, exactly. हाँ, we would have been so happy कि और हम लोग पिक्चर्स लगा रहे थे हर जगह उसकी कि इस बंदे ने बचा लिया हमारे ग्रेड वगैरह
But you
को.
know, I would say this कि फेमिनिज्म का ज़्यादा मसला इंडिया में है more than पाकिस्तान.
इंडिया में भी इंडिया
I
में
think
रेप केसेस
ऐसा
देखे आपने
इंडिया
कभी?
में सबसे ज़्यादा रेप केसेस हैं और सबसे ज़्यादा क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बैकवर्ड एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है अभी.
पाकिस्तान में भी बहुत है.
I think every country has such issues where gender equality is the main issue. Like I think according to UNW report, I read this article which said that around 81% of females do not get their desired rights, which is a very high percentage first of all. So yeah, piche reh gaye 29%. I think my math is not good. 19%. Sorry, my math. Sorry if you're watching this. It's okay.
But I would say कि ये जो mental health वाली चीज़ है ना कि a female feels more pressure than male students. Tell me why do there are more male suicides than female?
Male more suicide?
कहाँ? रिपोर्ट दिखाओ हमें.
वो ChatGPT है.
ChatGPT गलत रिपोर्ट भी
आपको
देता है.
वो source पे provide
Okay, wait, let me tell you.
I'll give you after the podcast, but it's actually a thing that जो men हैं in students and in offices
Okay,
they
हाँ.
are more suicide rate than female.
मेन को भी एक स्टैंडर्ड बनाया हुआ है कि दे हैव टू सर्व. ये भी फेमिनिज्म में आ जाता है कि वुमेन डू नॉट हैव टू सर्व, द मेन हैज टू सर्व.
But इसका तो फिर
नहीं ना,
मत
देखो
मार्च
ना,
भी होनी
सोसाइटी
चाहिए.
तो करो ना आप लोग, क्यों नहीं करते हो आप लोग? Have you
हमारे
stopped
पास
you guys?
वेला time नहीं है.
तो you think if female औरत मार्च is a winner time?
इसके अंदर के मिसोजिनिस्ट निकल रहा है.
ये मिसाल काफी ज्यादा ये हो रही है.
नहीं देखो
आप लोग कमेंट करके बताएं आप किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं
I
इस टाइम.
totally support the fact कि औरतों को हर किस्म का राइट मिलना चाहिए.
That does not show from your arguments actually.
No. I'm here to put arguments, okay? देखो,
put.
मेरी तरफ से वो we should be ruling the world. I would least care.
No,
कि
please,
मैं
trust
अपना
me, you-
काम करना चाहता हूँ.
You would care, trust me.
No, I wouldn't care. ये मुझे कोई मसला नहीं, मेरी भी माँ बहनें हैं, मुझे इस तरह का कोई इशू नहीं है कि औरतों को ये नहीं करना चाहिए. मेरी तरफ से जो मर्जी करें वो, जैसे मर्जी करें, they should be empowered, ठीक है? लेकिन जो ये कंपटीशन वाली चीज आ जाती है ना यार, why are you even comparing a man and a woman in the first place? Both have different duties. ठीक है, a man cannot give birth to a child.
Exactly.
A man cannot give birth to a child, but he can take care of it.
Exactly. Why are the women only expected to take care of the child, make food, serve food, and every single thing?
Hard
घर भी
house help.
साफ करना.
Huh?
Work hard, hire house help.
This is getting too much.
Damn it, they don't let us work hard.
Exactly.
I'm
job
telling the
they
men
can
to
do
work
this.
hard and get house help. Enjoy with your wife, give the kid to the babysitter, and basically live your life.
The men do
what
not
is
do
the
that.
society doing?
The men are like, औरत है ना संभालने के लिए.
What
Why
is
should we do
society
this?
doing?
No.
Men need to level up as well. What
Exactly.
the hell are you guys doing?
Exactly.
Get a life, get a better job, work hard, and
And
get
let-
your wife a Birkin bag.
Hermes bag actually.
It is a Hermes bag.
Birkin is 2 out of 10 now. Sorry.
अगर आप चाहते हो आपकी वाइफ आपको टाइम दे, get her help. ठीक है, get her house help, get her cooks.
The
and
men
then-
do not understand that उनका स्टैंडर्ड सेट हुआ है
वो
कि
पैसे
उन्होंने
नहीं
सब
कमा
कुछ करना
पाते.
है.
That's the issue.
So let the woman work.
Yeah.
Let her
But
earn.
they,
You both
अच्छा,
can
यहाँ
work.
पे ये होता है कि they get insecure of the fact that what happens if your boss hits on you.
they should not be that
At least
insecure.
इतना सा trust level होना चाहिए
Yeah.
कि if your woman is going to workforce, you should have इतना trust कि she would not do anything that will hurt you.
It's not her we're insecure of. It's the men out there we're insecure of. कि यार हमें तो हमारी like wife के
So you're
intention
scared.
पता
So
है.
you're thinking of the way the other men will feel.
Yeah.
So do you think you do that yourself?
Yeah.
I'm saying.
How do you know what other men think if you think the same way?
mentality पता होती है, regardless if she is committed or not, a man will try to hit on her. There will be some men which will hit on
इसी
her.
के तो राइट्स लेने आए हैं हम.
कि मर्द हिट ना करे आप पे.
नहीं.
फिर
Well,
क्या
let us
है?
break free. एक औरत खुला होके घर से बाहर तक नहीं जा सकती.
Exactly.
दुपट्टे के बगैर घर से बाहर तक नहीं जा सकती.
Because of the toxic masculinity out there, this thing is too much prohibited कि हम लोग बाहर जा नहीं सकते without wearing appropriate clothes. Whereas जो लड़कों ने दिल चाह रहा है वो पहने, जो मर्जी चाहे, कुछ नहीं उनको हाथ लगाएगा कोई
एंड
भी.
अगर इस्लामिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करें, मर्द इतनी निकले पहनते हैं, दे आर नॉट अलाउड इन इस्लाम.
मैंने आदत नहीं पहनी.
Yeah, it's not about you specifically.
मैं नहीं पहनता. हाँ, फिर तो फुटबॉल भी बैन करो.
Yeah,
What are you guys even talking? ठीक है यार, मत कि एक निकर को छोड़ दो. ठीक है.
मर्द औरतों
नहीं
के
पहनते
कपड़े को
निकर.
छोड़ दो.
ठीक है, नहीं पहनते निकर. मैं ड्रेसिंग पे तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा.
World Cups में क्यों नहीं होती females? Why are females not good in the team?
क्या मतलब?
World Cup like not the tennis and other चीजें जहाँ पे females are included, but about not like in World Cup वाले level से भी देखा जाए तो.
हाँ, वर्ल्ड कप वाले सारे मुसलमान थोड़ी हैं.
रोनाल्डो से कहीं लड़की साथ टीम में
क्या?
What?
खैर,
He's not going to
the
play
thing
anymore.
is about the dressing. ठीक है, there should not be any issue regardless कि औरत क्या पहन रही है या मर्द क्या पहन
There
रहा है.
is a issue क्योंकि औरत जब अपनी मर्जी के कपड़े पहन के the men hit on her. जब उसका थोड़ा सा भी कुछ भी रिवील होता है, the men hit on her, the men
regardless of
harass
what
her.
she's wearing, man is gonna hit on her.
And रेप केसेस में भी ये होता है उसने क्या पहना हुआ था.
Exactly.
हाँ.
ये क्यों नहीं होता कि वो मर्द ने इस तरह की हरकत क्यों की है? Why is it always the woman that's being targeted and not the toxic and shit men that there are?
वो
out
किधर
there?
गई थी, उसने
out
क्या
there.
पहना हुआ
I'd say-
था.
That
No, I wouldn't say anything about the law. The law is very good.
is काला डाला.
It is not. I believe
It is.
कि रेप की पनिशमेंट इस्लाम से
Should
सेम
be
होनी
public
चाहिए.
hanging.
नो, इस्लाम में पता है क्या है कि मर्द को लाइक आधा जमीन में गाड़ दो मिट्टी में और उसके बाद पत्ते फेंको जब तक वो मर ना जाए.
I like that.
हाँ.
I like
यार
that.
अगर तू इस तरह कुछ टाइम ही नहीं मिलना, पत्थर कितने को फेंकते रहेंगे.
Capital punishment करो.
एक दफा public-
Capital punishment दे दो.
हम्म?
Capital punishment दे दो.
वो क्या चीज है? 10 टन से जुदा.
नहीं, वो बहुत इंस्टेंट डेथ है ना. पत्थर वाली इसको
अच्छा,
ज्यादा
yeah,
torture feel
suffer
होगा.
them, make them suffer
Yeah.
before they die. Okay, this is getting too wild. So like इसी तरह क्या नाम है फेमिनिज्म की चीज़ों पर there are many arguments. A lot of you guys will argue कि नहीं, there are different point of views on certain topics. Some of कहते हैं कि नहीं, इतने rights नहीं देने चाहिए to the women out there. But I think this is something too all generated now. Like, come on, improve your mindset, guys. This is not, we're not in the 1900s right now anymore. We are in 2026.
Pakistan is there. Trust me when I
Exactly.
say that.
We're not behind other P5 countries. We are living in the same generation, same year, same mentalities. If you guys try to
And effect की औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन है.
exactly.
देखा, फिर यहाँ पे तो मर्द खत्म हो गया ना, कैंसिल आउट हो गया.
तो
और औरत की
मर्द को कब बोले हम
We're
we are
not
not
औरत
man
की दुश्मन है,
haters.
फिर आपस में खुद ही लड़ के
अच्छा.
मसला हल कर लो.
We are
हम लोग
not
भी बीच में लेके
misandrist.
आ रहे हो.
We are not misandrist. We are feminist.
What's the
Exactly.
definition of this word you said?
Misandrist?
I don't know the meaning.
The person who believes that women should be higher than men,
The person who believes the woman should be higher than men.
like in status and वगैरह.
Like
I
ज़्यादा
think we
women
should
को.
have equal rights. and
Yeah,
equal-
exactly.
Women should have more
Equality
rights.
is something that our society, our country actually lacks. So yeah, to like all the youth and people and all the old people who are watching this, I really wish that you guys change the mindset.
Yeah, we will. क्योंकि
Look, women have different duties, men have different duties, and it's possible to coexist and love. So basically, just try to improve what you're doing and be a better person every day, regardless कि आप जाएं बाहर और जाके दूसरों को बातें करें कि यार तुम ऐसे नहीं कर रहे, तुम ऐसे नहीं कर
I
रहे,
wish
तुम ये
it
नहीं
was
कर रहे।
that easy.
ठीक है,
Yeah, it
live
is
your
not
life,
that
be a better person, ठीक है, improve the people around you, उनको भी बताएं कि
Exactly.
how to be better in life.
Guys, education and awareness is something, if every single person starts doing, then I kid you not, this world would be such a better place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you take अगर हमारी अपनी country में unity नहीं है, like if you take India for example, you can see how much the Generation Z is united इतनी ज़्यादा कि they are all
United
at
यहाँ भी हो सकती थी, but no words.
Kala dala.
they all are doing one protest, they're doing peacefully protesting, सही है, and they are fighting for their rights.
Yeah, they're like playing Uno over there.
No, like वो तो अलग चीज है ना, but I want to say कि united कितने हैं वो लोग? Why can't we be like that? Why can't we have such similar mindsets? सही है?
Because we have so many misogynists.
Exactly.
No, I wouldn't call it misogynist, but I would call it as.
You are a misogynist.
Yeah, we just okay. Comment down below. He's a misogynist. Just saying.
Look, I'm not one, but I
You
would
are.
certainly take the head of being one.
Oh.
Damn.
I would least bother if you guys call me misogynist.
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 Whatever that word is. Yeah, देखो मेरे पास इतना time नहीं है, मैं वो word use नहीं करता.
Misogynist.
You don't know how to pronounce it. Just say
I could
it.
have been very controversial in this podcast.
You
but
can be. कौन रोक रहा है आपको?
I don't want to fight 3 women.
You're just too
We're
scared.
just
Okay.
scared.
No, I'm not scared.
You're too scared. You
I
will
don't
be
want
shut
to-
down.
I don't want to waste my mental energy.
All right.
Yeah.
Damn.
So that's why I would not pass a lot of controversial comments.
Anyways, guys, आप लोग comment pass करने controversial से,
Please.
and we will be coming back with more controversial topics and something youth would start like to get a platform to talk on. So comment down below if you guys have any more ideas on which topics we should talk on. And this is Youth Girl Voice signing off. We'll see you next time. Bye.